Hey guys, welcome back to Media Block, and today I have another tutorial for you guys. Now, in the past couple of videos, I talked about how you can get any Android app for free, how much ever you had to pay for it on the Google Play Store. Now, that worked only with the APK file. There are some applications which are very large in size and require a second file called the OBB file. Now, those I'm going to be teaching you how to install in this tutorial. So, for an example, I'm going to go ahead and search for Need for Speed Most Wanted, as you can see in the Play Store. Now, this is a very high graphical game, and its size is pretty large. It's around 700 to 800 MB in size, because as you can see, it has pretty good graphics compared to other games. So when you download these types of games, you get an extra file called the OBB file. As you can see, it's $1 right now. I mean, please do buy it from the developers as it supports them, but this is just for demo purposes. So if you want to get this game for free, go and open up your Chrome browser or any browser that you use. I use Chrome. So go ahead and search up your name of your game. So go ahead and search Need for Speed Most Wanted APK plus data. So you get a list of other things, but just enter this much and enter. Search for it. Now, do know that you need to replace like the Need for Speed part of it with whatever game you want. So if you want, so let's say Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, you need to type Grand Theft Auto San Andreas APK plus OB. So it depends on which game you're seeing. For me, it's Need for Speed, so I type that. So the first thing you want to do is search for a suitable link. Now there are many websites, okay? REFDL, APKOB, I hacked it. Now these are not good websites. Trust me, they're not good and they have a lot of ads. So go down and find a website which is known as play.mob. I'm highlighting it right now. Play.mob.org. Now this is a very respectable website and it has many outdated games which are updated constantly. So once you go to the website, it doesn't have many ads. It doesn't have many ads that interfere with what you do. So go down and click on download. So once you come to this page, you'll have to do some downloading. So if you get any ad, then just close it off, but usually there aren't any ads. So first of all, there are two types of downloads here. One is the normal downloads that you're seeing right here, and then there's a special downloads called Game Cache. Now these are the OB files that I'm talking about. So make sure at first you download the latest version of this type of file, the 21 MB file. So click on download and just wait for it to download. Click on OK. I've already downloaded it, so but for the sake of the video, I'm downloading it again. So you can wait for it to download. Once it's finished downloading, you need to go down here while it's downloading. You need to go down here and find the same version number. So we just downloaded this, okay? And the version number is 1.3.69. So we need to download the game cache that is the same as the version number of this. So go ahead and check the version number here, 1.3.69. It's correct. So click on download. Now this is a large file, so I have already downloaded it to make sure that the video doesn't take too long. So once you've done your downloading, go ahead and exit out of your browser and go into your Play Store and search for an app called WinRAR. So as you can see, this is the first app that comes in. It's called RAR. Now RAR is a type of archive, or let's say a compression form. That's the easiest way. So you want to download this. So click on install and wait for it to finish. So that was pretty quick because it's only 3 MB. So just wait for it to download. Once it's installed, done. So now you're practically done. Go ahead and go into your file manager. Every Android you should have a file manager, or if you don't have one, you can download one from the Play Store. So once you're in your file manager, just go into your downloads. Go into your downloads, and you will see the sorry, let me just delete this. Once you're in your downloads folder, you will see these two zips: Need for Speed Most Wanted APK, Need for Speed Most Wanted zip. So these two are the most important files. So do not click on the APK first. Do not click on the APK. When you click on the APK, you'll get this installed. Don't install it. Don't install it yet. What you need to do is go into your zip file, the one here. So click on your zip file and wait for it to open up like this. It depends on your file manager. If it doesn't open up like this, it'll open up in the app we just downloaded. So you need to click on extract the file and click on OK. And now wait for it to extract. This takes a fairly large amount of time because this is a compressed file, and compressed files have a large amount of data inside them. So just wait for them to finish extracting. So once it's extracted, I will come back to you, and yeah, I'll pause the video now. So once you have finished extracting the file, you should have a folder like this. Now inside the folder should be another folder which is named com.eagames.nfs blah blah blah. It depends on which game it is, but the standard thing is the starting name will be com dot, your game name. So go ahead and you want to cut the folder and move it somewhere. So click on move to. It depends on which file manager you're using. So just cut the file and move it like in Windows. So go into Android, your Android folder, click on data, and just click on OK, and wait for it to paste. Now this might take some time, as moving a file this large is pretty big. It's 2 gigabytes, so it takes some time, especially if you're copying it. That's why I recommend you to use moving, because it's much more faster. So make sure that you have copied all the files correctly, and you should be ready. So go ahead and exit out of your application, so your file browser, and open up Need for Speed Most Wanted, and it should be working now. Wait for it. So just wait for it, and click on start game after like some time. So I think I'm ready now, so I'm gonna hit and start game, and boom, that's it. It's loading right now, and that's it, guys. You have any game on the Android market, you can get it for free with this tutorial. It's easy, and if you encounter any problems, you can go ahead and comment down below, and I'll respond to you guys. It's that simple. So yeah, make sure you slap a like on this video and subscribe for more awesome content. For now, peace out.